I have organized a complete case challenging naturalistic origin of life into 4 videos. The first 3 videos intend to help the viewer understand just how complex all living things are. The first video presents what it would take to create a self-replicating machine with modern technology. In the age of 3D printers, surely that isn't nearly as hard as it was just a few decades ago. Or maybe not. The next video shows that all living organisms face the same kinds of challenges that a man-made self-duplicating machine would face. In the third video, the information in the simplest known living organism is examined. This organism has been optimized by man to eliminate all unnecessary information. I compare its DNA to a short novel. I print out the DNA on paper and spread it out on a quiet street. In these and other ways, I help the viewer to richly understand the minimum complexity of life. In the fourth video, I finally directly take on origin of life research. Dr. James Tour, a renowned biochemist, says that origin of life researchers are clueless about origin of life. I examine his case with the eyes of a non-scientist. My challenge is to guarantee that you have the straight scoop on origin of life. You may find that the results are surprising. Please enjoy these videos, especially the final 2.